Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. So this is a website where you create a profile, fill out some information, and if you're selected, you get a free box of goodies. All they ask is that you review the products on the website once you receive a box. You can also follow them on social media and win chances to get a box that way as well. So this month they sent some KETO Taffy, 0 sugar, 0 net carbs, vegan, gluten-free, and it looks like there's a variety of flavors. Very excited for that. Typically, we get different candy from this company, and they've all been really good. And I like that they're no sugar. Perfect. Also have Jana Banana, the original banana bar with coconut, no sugar added, paleo, gluten-free, all that good stuff. I bet that's delicious. Excited for that. Then we have some crunch stirs. This is the sea salt flavor. They're little sprouted snacks. You can kind of see a little peek through the window. Plant-based protein. And I think those come in all flavors as well. There's a whole variety of those. Then we have 417. It says Absolute Mud. Rich mud butter. Hand, body, foot. So it's probably a really thick lotion or cream. Take a whiff of it, see if it smells like anything. Doesn't really have much of a scent, but it's nice and smooth, not too thick. I like that. Could always use lotion. Then we have facial cleanser. Beauty Without Cruelty is what BWC stands for. And it's paraben free and soap free. Very nice. Then we have some tea, Tips and Tea, caffeine-free liver cleanse. 20 of those. And we have something, this is really heavy. Feels like it might be glass, which is probably why they packaged it so nicely. Daily Immunity, vitamin C. Has ginger root. Very cool. So we got some supplements. Got another one of those banana bars. And then at the bottom there's always a bunch of information about the products in here, sometimes coupons. This one goes over the tea and a sample of these other kinds that they have. It's awesome. And we have from 417, coupon code from them, and that's the body butter. Free bag of candy, Zolly candy. Very cool. And then some information about the crunch stirs. Ooh, they have a bacon flavored barbecue and tangy balsamic. Add it to salads, avocado toast, all sorts of stuff, and it goes over the ingredients for all of them. So that's what I got in this month's box. Again, if you'd like to sign up, try to win a box, I will have all the information below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.